Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon with orange sauce. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, with the skin on. This helps keep the fish moist and adds texture. Next, it's crucial to pat the salmon completely dry using paper towels. This step is essential for achieving that perfectly crispy skin. Finally, season both sides of your fillets generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the salmon. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a good non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes without moving them, allowing the skin to become beautifully crispy and golden. Then, flip the salmon and continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. While your salmon rests, let's create that vibrant orange sauce. In a small saucepan, whisk together 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and 1 minced clove of garlic. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened slightly to coat the back of a spoon. To serve, place your perfectly cooked salmon fillets on plates. Generously drizzle the warm, aromatic orange sauce over each piece, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. For a fresh finish and a touch of color, garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or cilantro. This dish pairs wonderfully with steamed asparagus or a light rice pilaf. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.